What's up, kings and queens? So I'm going to a wedding as a wedding guest, and I'm going for a Nubian Queen look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and everything that I use will be in the description box.
I told her that I party with friends. Do you wanna talk to the girl? She told me that you gotta have a rollie. Told me that you gotta have a Benz. If you wanna talk to the girl. If you wanna talk to the girl. My shimmy shit. Tell me what you want from me, my baby. I can get you diamond rings and pearls tonight. Oh shimmy shit. Tell me what you want from me, my baby. I can get you all the finer things tonight. Oh no 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 no. Told me that you got me insane, no baby. My shimmy shit. My shimmy shit. Oh no 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 no. Tell me that you drive me insane, no baby girl. My shimmy shit. My shimmy shit. Adara, girl, you're one in a million. No, Adara, girl, you're one in a million. The way you speak to me, oh baby, got me going crazy. Adara.
You're the one, you're the one, you're the one, that's all I'm saying. You're the one, you're the one, you're the one, got me feeling this way. And even if I try to, I can never lie to, cheat or despise you. The love that I have for you, you're underrated, girl, cause a man wanna wife you. But you're lost in the sauce and it hurts. Put a couple G's in her purse so she could go party with her friends. Mad thing, I forget about man in the end, still trapping off, yeah. Flip a kilo to a milo, that's a million every day. I got what you need, Adara, you know this. Why you losing focus, it's safe though.
Adara, girl, you're one in a million. No. Adara, girl, you're one in a million. The way you speak to me, oh baby, got me going crazy. Adara.